My brothers and sisters, we do not love because we receive love from others. Rather, we love because we develop an understanding of them. It is difficult to love a person if a person is not lovable, especially if the person hurts us or a headache to us. Mahirap magmahal sa taong mahirap mahalin, lalo na sa taong kaaway natin at kinaiinisan natin. Pero minsan, madali natin mahalin ang tao kung may nakukuha tayo sa kanila. It is easy to love if we benefit from them. Paano tayo magmamahal sa taong tayo na nga ang naagrabyado, tayo na nasaktan, tayo na pinagbintangan, at tayo pa ang iniwan? Kalukuhan, di ba? Kahibangan. This is instinct. This is our instinct, our natural tendencies to defend ourselves away from those who hurt us, or even get back to them by revenge. Yes, it is foolishness, kahibangan, kalukuhan ang mahalin ang kaaway natin. But this is in the human standards. The foolishness of man is the wisdom of God. This gospel passage is a sharp contrast between human instinct and divine love, between natural justice and supernatural grace. Jesus is not simply giving us moral advice. He is inviting us to a higher standard of love, one that reflects the very heart of God. The Christian way of loving is to love and pray for our enemies. We cannot please everybody. We will always encounter people who will not like us or whom we do not like. We will encounter people who will hurt us either by intention or because of their negligence or lack of love. But the challenge is, how are we going to react if we are confronted with those kind of people? Sometimes we react differently, maybe because we are too much proud of ourselves, or baka naman hindi natin naiintindihan ang konteksto ng ibang tao. Bakit sila umaasta ng ganyan? We do not understand their context, or baka naman we immediately judge them. Mother Teresa of Calcutta said, if we judge people, we have no time to love them. Kung nag-iisip tayo, nasaktan din ang iba sa sakit na naidulot nila sa atin. Kung lalayo tayo sa kanila at ayaw na natin sila makita dahil galit na galit tayo sa ginawa nila, by doing so, we prevent ourselves from loving them. But instead, be quiet, pray, offer your pains and understand their context. By doing so, we give ourselves a time to love them. Let us ask Our Lady that by her prayers we may be able to bear all our pains with love and forgiveness. Amen.